Alright, next up we're gonna go ahead and change the gown of the patient with right arm, with the affected right arm. Okay, that usually means that they have a right-sided weakness. Okay, so I did my opening. I already grabbed my supplies. I have my privacy blanket, and I asked the patient which one of the clothing she would like to change into, and she picked this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cover her up. Ms. Smith, we're going to go ahead and cover you up with the privacy blanket. We're going to go ahead and whenever the patient has a weakness, you want to start off and removing the gown from the strong side. So right now she has a right-sided weakness. You want to go around to the strong side. So you're going to undo the neck portion. Okay. And with her strong arm, she'll be able to help you out. But you still want to undress her nice and gently. And then with her right arm, she won't be able to assist you, so you're going to have to do it all on your own. Okay, and make sure you move the limb nice and gentle, as to not hurt the patient. Go ahead and pull the gown out, and then place it in the dirty designated area. You're going to get the new gown, the clean gown, and you're going to dress her on her affected side first, which is the right arm. And you want to tuck the gown underneath the privacy blanket. Okay, make sure you tuck it in there. Keep her covered as much as possible, and then you go around to the left-hand side. And you start dressing her on the left-hand side. Here she'll be able to assist you. Okay, you're going to go ahead and tie the neck portion, make sure that everything is nice and straight. Patient's all dressed up. Okay, alright, we're all set with that. We're going to go ahead and cover her back up. Okay, remove the privacy blanket. Throw it in the dirty designated area. Okay. And my seal is done, so I can go ahead and do my closing. Okay.